You have big goals. You want money, success, a better life. But most days, you do nothing. And the worst part is, you know what to do, but you still don't do it. If that's you, this video might hit a little hard. If you're someone who has big ambitions but struggles to take action, make sure to subscribe and like this video if this helps you. Look, here's the thing. You're not lazy. You're just addicted to comfort. Think about your day. You wake up and reach for your phone. You feel bored, so you scroll. You feel stressed, so you watch videos. You feel tired, so you sleep. Your brain has learned avoid effort and choose easy. Here's what most people don't realize. Ambition without discipline leads to frustration. You want a better life, but your habits are built for an easy life. That's the real conflict. Now you might be thinking, I will start tomorrow. I just need motivation. No. You don't need motivation. You need a system. This is where it gets really interesting. Your brain isn't against you. It is just efficient. It always chooses the easiest option available. So if your phone is near you, you will scroll. If your bed is comfortable, you will sleep. If work feels hard, you will avoid it. So instead of fighting your brain, change your environment. Make work easier than distraction. Keep your phone far away. Open your work before you sit. Reduce the steps to start. The easier it is to start, the more you will do it. Follow the 10-minute rule. Tell yourself you will just do this for 10 minutes. No pressure and no big commitment. Once you start, you usually continue. Stop chasing dopamine. Scrolling and short videos destroy your focus. Limit them. Every time you choose easy, dopamine, you lose interest in real work. Accept boredom. This is important. Success is boring. Repeating the same thing daily, even when you don't feel like it, is what creates results. Let me be real with you. I have been there. Big dreams, but zero action. Always planning, but never doing. I used to think one day I will change, but nothing changed. I started doing small, boring work every day. Slowly, things started moving. So if you feel ambitious but lazy, don't hate yourself. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a habit and environment problem. Fix that and everything changes. Start small. Start today. Even 10 minutes is enough. Your future depends on what you do after this.